Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the 1.2 unit number first and in the unit number first topic number 2 a synopsis the Swiss family Robinson. Here given a warming up. Do you know mm, do you know any stories about the people who were lost the uninhabited place and where the later rescues name them? That means this is the story. That means a synopsis the Swiss family Robinson. I will first read this story and then I will give you explanation of this story. The Swiss family Robinson is a well known adventurous novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into graphics novel and films. The novel, written by the Swiss clergyman John John David Wish, is not just adventures. It is aimed to teaching young people value like self-reliance, determination, love for your family, cooperation, and the prudent use of the resource. It also has a good lesson relevant in natural science, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Some element of the novels do stretch reality of the certain extent, but we must consider that is a work of fiction and not a fact file. Given below is a synopsis and an outline of its basic story. William, Elizabeth, and other their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. The other passengers evacuated. Without them, Williams and his family, included the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, were left to survive alone. They weathered a great storm waiting in the ship's hold. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves without sight of a tropical desert island. The next morning, they decided to get the islands they could see beyond the reef. With much effort, they considered a vessel out of tube. After they filled the tube with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. Two dogs from the ship, the Turk and the Gino. The Turk and Gino swam beside them. The ship's cargo of livestock, gun and powder, carpentry tools, books, disassembled pinnace, and the provisions had been also survived. Over the next few days, William's father attached the floatable old cage to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had launched successful on the island. They set up the tent and softened the floor with armload of the grass. They cut the spread to serve as their bed. They come to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like a ground on its trunk. The father told Fritz, the guard, would make an excellent bowl spoon, and they cut them into the various utensils. After some days, Elizabeth informed Williams that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. They If they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from the jackals. They described the perfect tree for the project. One who was a trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extend straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platform for a structure. Later, when they determined the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boy geometry and how to use triangle to measure the big object. The measured defined distance from the trunk. Then the calculated angle using the several measured rod determined the lowest branch was the 30 feet of the ground. Students, in this topic we are going to learn about the synopsis. The Swiss family Robinson. The synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. This is the actually the Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that peoples of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into the graphics novel of film. That means this is a Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventures novels, and many countries which is have enjoyed these novels for more than 200 years. That means enjoy for the more than 200 years. A synopsis: the Swiss family Robinson. How many characters in these stories? Then in these stories the poster is the narrator of these stories. Narrator of these stories, and narrator of the story leads this family. Second main character is here Elizabeth. The second character is a novel Elizabeth. First is a William. Elizabeth. Second character is the Elizabeth. Elizabeth, the loving mother of the Robinson family. Then Fritz is the oldest son of this Robinson family. Then second Ernest. Ernest is the second oldest boy in the Robinson family. He is 30-year old. Then Jack is also third old son of the Robinson family, and he is 11-year old. And last one is Franz, the youngest boy. He is 8-year old. And in this story, that means two dog. That means the Turk and Gino. Also, this name of the dogs. How many characters in the story? And other characters. That means in this stories, the Turk and the Gino. These are the two English dogs. English dog names here given in these two dogs, the Turk and Gino. Name of the dogs, English dogs. Here, the Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventurous novel that people many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made in graphics novel or film. Here given one word, adventurous. Adventures means to courage. What is the meaning of the adventures? To courage. And second one, the word this today we are going to learn about this story. Learn about this story. The Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventurous novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. 200 years. It has also been made into graphics novel and film. That means this is in this story. This Williams, Elizabeth, and her four child, two dogs also included or involved. This is the character of this story. The Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventurer. That means this is a courageous novel, or this courageous or adventurous novel that people of many countries, that is not only any countries, the many countries people have enjoyed more than 200 years. That means the many countries people have enjoyed the 200 years. It has also made into the graphics novel and film. That means it is also in this related to this novel make a film or graphic novels and also made a film. Then the novel written by the Swiss clerkman John Johann David Which is not a just adventure. It aimed to teaching young people value like self-reliant determination, love for family, cooperation and prudent use of the resource. It also has good lesson relevance in natural science, good husbandry and even mathematics. Here two hard word adventures but here self reliant. Self reliant means here self reliant means self dependent. Then cooperation prudent means important and useful. Prudence use of the resource had good lesson. Relevant means sorry here prudent means unnecessary risk and reliance means important and useful in this natural science and good husbandry and even mathematics. That means this is a novel written by the Swiss clerkman Johann David Wish. Is not just an adventurous novel. That means this is a not only adventurous novel. It is aimed to teaching younger people. That means main aim of this novel is teaching to younger people values like self-reliant. That means this word you given in this 8th standard, the three vision of India. This topic written by the Dr. Abdul Kalam. Self-reliant means self-dependent. That means in this novel not only a adventurous novel but they give some values of younger people as like a self-dependent, determination, love for family, cooperation and prudence means unnecessary risk use of resource and it also has good lesson. Reliance means important natural science and they give us the important in natural science, good husbandry and even mathematics. That means this novel is not only a adventurous novel but they gave us the information about the different values as like self dependent, determination, love for family, then cooperation and the necessary risk and then it has a good lesson for the important natural science. That means this novel is related to these values. Some element of the novel to stretch reality to the certain extent. That means in this some elements of the novel, that means some factors or some elements give us the stretch reality, give us the stretch reality to the certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. Given below is the synopsis and a outline of the basic story. That means fact file means here word is a fact file. Fact file means the collection of information about the particular subject. That means here fact file you write this meaning of this word collection of information about the particular subject. Particular subject. You understand meaning of the adventures you courageous. Self reliance means to self dependent. Prudent means unnecessary risk and the reliance means important or useful. Then fact files means to collection of information about the particular subject. That means the some element of the novel stretch reality to the certain extent. That means this is, or these some elements gave us the stretch reality of certain extent, but we have considered that it is a work of fiction. That means work of fiction, work of fiction and not a factophile. This is a not a factophile. Factophile means a collection of information about the particular subject, but work of fiction and not a factophile. Not a factophile. Given below is a synopsis and outline of the basic story. Synopsis, that means this is only the outline of the basic story. Here story start. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. That means at that period the Williams and Elizabeth and their four childs traveling in the boat or ship when the at that time the ship was caught in the great storm. That means they boat or this boat is catch in a great storm. The other's passenger evacuate means, here new word, evacuate means to move people from a dangerous place to somewhere. That means evacuated means left the ship to save themselves. That means the people save themselves, or move people or left the ship to save themselves. That means move people from a dangerous place to somewhere. Evacuated. Without them, that means some passengers to move from a dangerous place to somewhere without them. That means without the Williams and his family. Williams and his family included the younger children. That means in the Williams family, that means Williams is also father of this story. That means William and his family included the younger children Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz. That means the William, his wife Elizabeth and his child or four children, the Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz were left to survive alone. That means the other passenger to move from a dangerous place to somewhere without Williams family. But in the Williams family there are Williams, his wife and her his four children left to survive alone. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. Here meaning of the hold is here meaning of the hold here space in the ship of cargo. That means space of the here space in the ship for cargo. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within the sight of the tropical desert island. That means ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of tropical desert island. That means this family is reached on the tropical desert island. The next morning they decided to the island they could see beyond the reef. That means the next morning he decided to the next morning they decided to get the island they could see beyond the reef. Beyond means reef means the rocks and sand close to the surface of the sea. That means reef means to rock and sand etc. close to the land or surface of sea. With much effort they constructed a vessel out of the tube. Here vessel meaning actually Hmm? Vessel means here. Vessel means here means a boat. Vessel means boat. Here meaning of vessel is boat. After they tube with filled with tube, they much effort constructed a vessel out of tube. After they filled the tubes with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. That means mm, after they filled with the tube, that means sorry, when much effort they constructed a vessel, that means they constructed a boat, or they constructed a new boat. And after they filled the tubes with the food, that means in these boats they mm, filled with tubes with food, the ammunition and the all other articles value they could safely carry, they rowed toward the island. That means they goes toward the island. Road means goes toward the island. Two dogs from the ship named Turk and the Gino. Turk and the Gino. That means at that time he could he rowed toward the island, and at that time two dogs name is Turk and Gino. Also Turk and Gino swam beside them. The ship's cargo of the livestock, that means the ship cargo in livestock, guns and the powder, carpentry tools, books. This assembly, this assembly, pinnace, and the provisions had also survived with this family. Thank you.